You have to encounter the tortoise. Taming, taming.
Hindi kayo sila bato. Look at that.
Oh, look at this tortoise. Taming. Sit, sit.
Sit. Taming. Here.
Oh, sit here. Doggy encounter with the tortoise. Oh, come here. Come here, sit.
Look at this. Taming. Look at me.
Kiss the tortoise. Ming. Kiss the tortoise. Yeah, pasagdi lang siya, oh. Ginahan siya, oh. Doggy encounter with the tortoise. Put. Kiss the tortoise. Taming.
Baka gusto maligo. Dayo, tanaw yung forma.
Oh. Usog man ang balod. Daanan na to dito ang ang moonlight kung kiss the tortoise. Oh, nag-kiss siya. Oh, picture na ko. Kiss, kiss. Kiss the tortoise, Taming. I'm sitting in the I'm sitting on top of the tortoise.
Dikikuhan kita.
Dali, Taming. May dali. Basta mo.
Gipinturahan maninila ning kuan sa tortoise, oh.
Dili, oh. Come here, oh. Dili sa tortoise. Dali, oh. Oh, di ba? Meet the tortoise. Hello, say tortoise. Hey, tortoise. Angkot, come. Tortoise. Meet the tortoise. Hello, tortoise. Hello, tortoise. Good morning, tortoise. How are you, tortoise? Come to friend with the tortoise. Your friend, tortoise. Say hi. Hi, tortoise. Okay na? Friends na ka mo ni tortoise. Put. Put. Come. Come here.
What is it?
You want to play with the tortoise? Oh, play. Let's go home na. Let's go home na daw. Come, sit. I will sit. I will sit here. Wala man sila pa ko. Kita rin na ipake.
Let's go home.
Let's go home. Oh. Pasagdi lang sila. Oh. Going home na. Oh. So today is tortoise encounter day. No more swimming because the waves are strong and the tide is so high. Taming, say hi, bye-bye to your viewers. Taming, say bye.
Taming.
Deadma.